Welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. In this video, we are going to see how to create a channel in Telegram and grow your audience. So now let's see the simplest method to create the channel in Telegram. So now let's jump into it. And as the first step in creating the channel in Telegram is installing Telegram to our phone. So now I'm going to head over to the Play Store and I can search for Telegram, and there are two applications. One is named as Telegram and the other one is Telegram X, and the Telegram X is the light version of Telegram. So as I am using a latest version of Android, I can install Telegram. So as you guys can see, I have successfully installed Telegram in this phone, and now I can open it by clicking on open, and this is my Telegram. So in order to create a new channel in Telegram, I need to proceed by clicking on this pencil mark over here, and I can see that there, as you guys can see, there are three options, namely new group, new secret chat, or new channel. So now I'm going to click on new channel, and the Telegram asks me to name my channel. So now I'm going to name it as US Educate Academy, and it asks me a description. So now I'm going to enter a description: new technological ideas, and in order to provide an icon for this account, I can click on this button and I can upload an icon. So now I'm gonna not upload an icon, so now I'm gonna click on the next or the tick mark, and this will ask me to customize my channel, whether it is public or private. So now I'm gonna click on public, and this asks me to create a channel name. I'm gonna enter US Educate Academy, and this is my public link, and using this link I can share this link uh, as an invite code, or I can invite members and make them to join in this group and grow my audience. So now I'm gonna click on next or the tick mark. So this will ask me to add subscribers. I'm gonna proceed to next, and yes, now I have successfully created my Telegram channel, and I can edit the details through this page too. So I can limit the actions of the subscribers of this group too. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more video tutorials and technology related ideas. See you in the next one.